Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about objectives of accounting. Topic of chapter 1, meaning and objective of accounting. So first objective of accounting is to keep systematic record of business transaction. The main objective of accounting is to keep complete record of all business transactions according to specified rules. Complete record of business transaction means to avoid any error or fraud. For this purpose, all business transaction, first of all, where we record transaction? Where? In journal or in subsidiary books, and then later on we post it to ledger. Clear? To keep systematic record of business transaction, accounting is to maintain all record of business transaction in the original books of entry like journal or subsidiary books. Second objective of accounting is to calculate profit and loss. The second objective of accounting is to find out net profit or net loss of the business. For this purpose, trading and profit and loss account is prepared by business. From profit and loss account, we can find out net profit or net loss during the year. Third objective of accounting is to show financial position of our business. Financial position, it is shown by balance sheet. Financial position of business is shown by balance sheet. The businessman must also want to know about the financial health of the business. For this purpose, after preparation of profit and loss account, balance sheet is prepared. With the help of balance sheet, we can find out the business position. We can check out the status of assets and liabilities of the business, because balance sheet contains all assets and liabilities of the business. Clear? Next objective, to know exact reason for leading to profit or loss. As our profit or loss is calculated from profit and loss account, but with accounting we can find out the reasons why our profits are increasing, or if there is any loss, then why this happened. Clear? Next, to check the progress of business year to year. Accounting helps to check out the record of business year to year. We can check out whether our business is progressing or getting down. Next objective, to provide information to various parties. In the last video, in the last lecture, we discussed various parties interested in accounting information. So accounting provide useful information to various parties interested in our business, like government, tax authorities, public, lenders, banking system, etc. So these parties require information about the business time to time, and they can get from business records. So accounting provide useful information to various parties. Next, to help in finding errors and frauds. Trial balance. Do you know what is trial balance? Trial balance contains all debit and credit balance from ledger, and at the end the total of trial balance should be equal. Means debit side should be equal to credit side, and if this not happen, then it means there is some error. Clear? We can check our errors or frauds with the help of trial balance. If trial balance is not tallied, it means there is some error. So accounting helps in finding error and frauds. So these all are the objectives of accounting: to keep systematic record of all business transaction in journal or subsidiary books, to calculate profit and loss of the business by preparing profit and loss account, to show financial position of business by preparing balance sheet of the business. To know exact reasons for leading to profit or loss. To check the progress of business year to year means we can compare current year figures with the previous year figures and can comparison. To provide information to various interested parties of business. To help in finding error and frauds. Clear? Objectives of accounting. Now next topic is advantages of accounting. It is almost similar to objectives of accounting. As you can see, first point of advantage is provide complete and systematic record. Accounting provides us complete and systematically record of business transaction and summarize transaction in order to give a true picture of business activity. By maintaining complete and systematically record, we can get true picture of the activities of business. Clear? Second advantage is information regarding profit and loss. We have discussed earlier, accounting provide us information regarding profit and loss with the help of which account? Profit or loss account. We can get about the information of business profit or loss with profit and loss account, and this information regarding profit is very useful for owners and various interested parties because they definitely want to check the profits of business whether it is rising or not. Second advantage of accounting, information regarding financial position of business. Again same point, financial position means information regarding balance sheet of business. Balance sheet disclose the position of all assets and liabilities of the business, and accounting provide us this picture of balance sheet. Next, helpful in comparative study. Accounting maintain systematic record of transaction every year, so we can compare our current year's figure, current year's profit with the previous year figures and can conclude important values, important decisions. Next, helpful in assessment of tax liability. Properly maintained records will be helpful in calculation of income tax or GST. Such records when audited are trusted by tax authorities. Accounting records are audited by auditors and they can be trusted by taxation authorities. Next, evidence in legal matters. If we are maintaining proper accounting records, then they can be accepted by court as an evidence. In case of any disputes, we can show our accounting record in front of court as a evidence. Clear? Helpful in raising loan. Suppose you are taking loan from bank. You have to show your financial position, you have to show about your credit worthiness, then you can show your accounting information to banking authorities. It will be helpful in raising loan, taking loan from bank. Next, helpful in deducting errors. Clear? As I discussed earlier, how deducting errors means by preparing trial balance we can find out the errors in business. Wrong mistakes done by ourselves, we can check it by preparing trial balance. Last point is helpful for management. Management requires lots of information for smooth running of business, and this information can be taken from accounting records. Clear? Advantages of accounting almost similar to objectives of accounting. First point, provide complete and systematic record of transactions. Information regarding profit and loss. Information regarding financial position means balance sheet. Helpful in comparative study. Helpful in assessment of calculation of tax liability. Evidence in legal matters, you can show as a proof your accounting records. Helpful in raising loans, you can show it to lending authorities for taking loan. helpful in detecting errors, and helpful for management to take important decision based on accounting information. Clear? So learn it properly.